So I'm just going to very quickly go over this. Well, it's a feature in JabRef. That's JabRef. I don't really know why it's called that. Okay, I'll download. Ugh. This is taking forever. I guess I sped it up for you. Okay. Okay, well I just reinstalled JabRef. I guess this is where you install it. Okay, so here's the application. So the bottom line is if we open a Bibtex, so you see Bibtex DB file. So these are citations, and Bibtex, or at least the ones you export from Web of Science, you can actually include the entire abstract in the Bibtex. So then if I select all of these, I can go File, Export, and there's just lots of options. So this is a really cool one that I've been using lately, where, so it looks like this. So these are the citations I just had. Citation Classics published in Knowledge Management. That one's right here. And you can search it, just do basic search, but also expand these abstracts and read them. You can scan down by the title. I'm just going to try some other ones. Okay, so I'll try simple HTML. Okay. Not nearly as nice. I'll try just HTML, see what that looks like. Ooh, not very nice. Well, anyways, the bottom line is that this is sometimes useful. So, for example, if I usually use Web of Science, so maybe I want to look at all of the works which cited who. So I'll just take these distinction citations. This is a highly cited book, obviously, in the social sciences. And we can filter this down. So if we go to Analyze, we can filter it by the classification of the journal, by year. In my case, I'll do research areas, and I'll filter it to cultural studies. And of these, I'll just take the 500 most cited. So you see time cited descending, and export other file formats, and then we choose Bibtex here. Make sure to choose the abstract, and you can do 500 records, so we'll just do 500. And you see this is a .bib file. I already have it automatically opening with JabRef, and here it is. So now we can export all of these, and it looks like I have some, see these in collections, which actually do not have an abstract, but I'll export them all to HTML in the same way. Except I guess this is the only one that I'm, I can stand, is this with abstract and Bibtex. And here they are. So this is nice because this, I'm sorry, here they are. Yeah, this is somewhat nice because it gives you a consistent view of all of the references you've downloaded. You could filter these further, so maybe I don't want, it looks like I have things that are not articles, so let's just take everything else and get rid of it. So in proceedings and in collection, I'll delete. I also don't like the sorting. It's sorted, I actually don't know how it's sorted. I'll sort it by year ascending. And if we do the same thing, it should maintain all of those preferences. Okay, and there we go. Looks like the older ones don't have abstracts, which is a little bit annoying. I also find it annoying that it splits these abstracts. Maybe I'd expected it to be really big like this. I doubt it. Okay, well I hope that was useful. I mean, I actually prefer my own method. Yeah, I call it What Do Journals Care About? And it's not exactly as straightforward. It uses an R Markdown file, and it's pretty cool. I mean, it just imports the data And our Markdown has a lot of nice features that make it look good. And actually, yeah, all the code is hidden in this footer and this header, so that whenever I create a new Markdown file, all I include is my analysis, and the rest is automatically generated. I can show you. Yeah, so this is what it looks like. Really don't like that color, but so I have summaries with links, and yeah, so this might be easier on the eyes. It's possible. And I also just like tried to compress all of the titles and highlight some of the most common words that show up. These are all introduction to sociology papers, so obviously introduction and sociology show up a lot. But anyways, that's all I have. Don't know how helpful that is.